Want to learn how to host a video on EverWebinar and make your webinars run smoothly and automatically? Stick around, because I'm about to show you everything you need to know in a quick and easy way. By the end of this video, you'll be ready to set up your first webinar and understand why EverWebinar is such a powerful tool for hosting videos online. First things first, EverWebinar allows you to host live-looking webinars that run on autopilot. This means that you can pre-record a video and set it up to play on a specific schedule for your audience, making it feel like a live event. No more worrying about hosting multiple sessions. This tool can run your webinar as often as you want without your direct involvement. Next thing, let's dive into the setup process. After you log in, you'll see a simple dashboard where you can start creating your webinar. Click on the Create Webinar button and follow the prompts. It's straightforward. You'll choose whether it's a live or automated webinar, upload your pre-recorded video, and set the times you want it to run. With EverWebinar, you also have the option to set up replays for people who miss the live events, which is a huge advantage. The third thing to consider is customizing your registration page. This is where you can add your branding and specific details for your audience to sign up. EverWebinar lets you create a professional-looking registration page with just a few clicks. You can customize the text, images, and even the timing to make sure it matches your branding and catches the eye of your target audience. Another key feature to mention is the automated email sequences. Once your audience registers, EverWebinar can automatically send them reminder emails and follow-ups to keep them engaged. You can set these up in advance, saving you tons of time. There's also the ability to integrate with email marketing services like MailChimp or ConvertKit, so everything stays connected and runs smoothly. The fifth thing is the chat and interaction features. Even though your webinar is pre-recorded, EverWebinar lets you add interactive elements like live chat and polls to make it feel engaging. This gives your audience the impression that they're participating in a live event, increasing the level of engagement and trust. Finally, let's talk about analytics. EverWebinar provides powerful analytics to track how your audience is interacting with your webinar. You can see how many people registered, how many attended, and even track their actions during the webinar. This data is invaluable for improving your future webinars and understanding your audience better. And here's the best part. If you're thinking about trying EverWebinar out, you can do so completely free. Use the first link in the description below to access an exclusive free trial with some awesome bonuses. You don't want to miss out on this. This extended free trial will give you plenty of time to see if this software works for you. That's all for now. To recap, EverWebinar is an incredibly powerful tool to host automated webinars, and now you know exactly how to get started. Don't forget to check out the link below for your exclusive free trial, and make sure to hit that link before it expires. Thanks for watching.